Today, I'm going to show you how to make this really tasty mushroom risotto. This was a recipe I learned at school, and now I'm going to share it with you. Start by placing whatever you want to cook in on the stove. I'm using a wok. We can start by adding some garlic infused olive oil into our pan. Next, we're going to lay our chopping board down, and we're going to place on top of it our mushrooms. I'm using for this one shiitake mushrooms, but I'm pretty sure that any type of mushroom will work. Next, we're going to start to chop them up. Next, we're going to place a little pan on the stove, and we're going to fill it with some chicken stock and pour it up to about half the pan. I ended up using this whole bottle full of stock, but you can also use other types of stock as well, or you can make your own. Next, we're going to light our stove and keep it on a low heat. Next, we're going to place our mushrooms and also our other ingredients into the saucepan and start stirring. You might find sometimes the mushrooms get all dry, and just to fix this, just pour in some more olive oil. Once they've cooked, they should be looking a bit like this. And now, it's time to tip in our Boreo rice. Next, we're going to stir it in. And then, once it's all stirred in, it's time to add the stock. And just add in just spoonfuls and short amounts at times. Next, we're going to pick up our wooden spoon and we're going to keep stirring in the rice and adding stock until the rice is cooked. This does take around 20 minutes. Once you think your rice is cooked, you can get a spoon and have a little bit of a taste if you want. And of course, if it's not cooked, don't worry. Just continue adding the stock until it is. Next, we're going to grab a grater. We're going to grate some Parmesan cheese. Now, if you haven't got any of this, don't worry, just use some tasty cheese instead. Once you're done, you should be left with a large pile of cheese like this. Now we're going to add our cheese into the saucepan, and the risotto has to be cooked before you do this. And we're going to stir it completely in. And lastly, we're going to add our thyme and other herbs like spinach. Now it is ready to serve. It really is fun to make, and with a bit of practice, you can make it really good. I do thank you for watching this video, and if you want to see how to make another really delicious risotto recipe, I can easily make that up for you. And please let me know how you think this first upload went in the comments below. Thanks again for watching.